Hi everyone, today I'll guide you step by step on how to fill out the application form for UWC Azerbaijan. Whether you're applying for the first time or just need a little extra help, this video is here to make the process easy and hopefully stress-free. I hope by the end of this guide you'll have a clear understanding of what's needed and how to submit your application successfully. Let's get started. First, you need to start with searching UWC Azerbaijan on your browser and press the first search result. Once you're there, you're going to click on the moving button, I'd say, and you're going to read more information and application link here. You're going to press on the link. Once you're there, you're gonna see the minimum requirements for all students that want to apply to UWC Azerbaijan. If you meet all the requirements, please go ahead and press the link here. The application form can be found here. And once you're on this page, you'll need to create a new account using the register button to the right. Once you've registered, please confirm your account and begin your application. To confirm your account, you will receive an email attached with the link. Please check your spam and junk box. In your email, please click on the link and you will be directed to the application page. And this is the application page. To get started, we will press View Programs button. In order to determine if you're eligible and what application routes are available for you, let's fill out the eligibility profile form. I'm an applicant. Let's put our birthdays here. Country of nationality Azerbaijan. Residency Azerbaijan. We are not attending. UWC National Committee is the right choice here if you want to apply through UWC Azerbaijan. Yes. No. And press Save My Profile. And once you're done with the eligibility profile form, you will see NC Azerbaijan entry. Please press More. And if you press Apply, your application will be created. If you go to the home page, you will see the created application. Let's press Start. Let's start with program eligibility. Here, we will be asked to give our name, last name, gender as stated on passport, date of birth, information about ourselves. And here, we have to put our current postal address. And these questions are important. So let's read the first one. How comfortable are you in participating in the selection process in English? Here, we will choose our level of English, how confident we feel in participating in this selection process. And we will fill out our school information, what's the main language of instruction in your school, the language that we speak in our school, if it's a public-private school. Have you attended an IB school before? IB refers to International Baccalaureate, and that's the type of education they teach at UWCs. So if you have attended an IB school before, please press yes. And if you have already applied, to UWC through other channels, please press yes. But it means through other national committees. Let's move to the next one. Personal information. Here we are going to fill out some information such as receiving scholarship for other schools, about our Shahadatname imtihan score, about ourselves. And if you know anyone who has studied at UWC, please press yes and share their name with us. Next section is family and financial aid information. Here we are going to be asked if our parents married, divorced, separated, etc. After we answer these questions, we will be pressing save and continue editing or mark as complete for only this section. And we will move to health information. And in health information, there are questions about our health. If you have any needs, any special needs, please make sure to fill in it here. And next are the essay questions, one of the most important part of the application. And here you can see the essay questions, and we can see each essay question have 100 words limit. So make sure you don't go beyond 100 words. You can use a word processor like Word, Google Docs, and paste your answer here if you feel more comfortable. And here you can see this last question is 300 words. And the last one is, we have 2 questions and we are going to choose only one and answer one of them with 500 words. And here, make sure to check this out because using any kind of AI or help is prohibited. And yeah, after you press next, you will go to school transcript and Shahadatname. And here you will apply your transcript from last year and also transcript from this year and your Shahadatname result that you can get online from the Devlet İmtihan Merkezi's portal. And if everything is completed, you will move to the identity photo where you will upload your photo. It doesn't have to be a formal photo, just upload a photo where we can see you. And we have another video, and this video you can speak in either Azerbaijani or English, whichever you are most comfortable in. And this video's prompt is, what is the recent global event that challenged your viewpoint, perspective, why? Please briefly explain what this event, moment, news was and how it changed your perspective on how you see yourself, your home, and or the world at large. And make sure the video is in one of these formats. Or you can either upload it to YouTube and share a link through this link to video button. And next section is parental consent form, where you're going to press request a recommendation, fill it out with your parents' information. Once you press send request, your parents will get an email from the application portal asking for their permission. And if they have their permission, you will be able to submit your application. Without your parents' consent, you cannot submit application. And once 9 of 9 tasks are completed, you will press the submit button in the end. And that's it. I hope this video made the process clear and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for help. Best of luck with your application, and I hope to see you succeed on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching.